morning, everybody. We are in what was once Meccano land. Give you another clue, some little pop group came from here, this part of the world, that nobody really liked her, and they're very famous anymore. But that is another clue. The giant liver bird made out of giant Meccano parts, mostly modern Meccano parts. I think we'll park up. We're a few hundred yards off Binns Road, where the factory was up until, well, it closed in '79. Shame that Meccano's not so easy to get hold of off the toy shop shelves, but there is a toy shop there. Can't carry anything till I come back, mind. Well, let's have a look at it, eh?